Working on essential infrastructure, our recent dredging campaign took us to the picturesque Avon Valley. Famous for its historic buildings and burgeoning tourist scene, Apex Envirocare were tasked with improving the efficacy of the reticulation pond in the sewage works, which had struggled due to the build-up of alum-dose sediment over many years. Though recently dredged by other contractors, there was up to 1,700 millimetres of sediment in the pond, a colossal amount in part due to the growth of the town's popularity as a tourist destination. Our approach involved a tailored dosing regime to deal with the alum dose sludge to provide efficient dewatering of the captured solid waste. A few weeks into the project and the results have been very promising.
Based on the initial success of the dredging, our client directed us to pursue an even more aggressive remediation campaign, culminating in the restoration of the pond to its full capacity.